Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. So today we are going to be signing up on BYBIT and also learn how to verify our accounts on BYBIT. And BYBIT is a platform for P2P trading, and you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency here on the BYBIT platform. It also has so many other usage, but for today though, we just want to learn how to sign up and verify our accounts, and um, learn how to get our deposit address, how to copy it and how to use it. So first you want to go to your app store. If you're using an Android phone, you want to go to Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you want to go to your app store to download Bybit. Just BYBIT Bybit. Right, so this is my app. I'm just going to click on it. Now it says login now. If you already have an account, you can log in. But if you're like new people like me that don't have an account, I'm just kidding, I already have an account, but I just want to show you how to, get one for yourself. So if you've not registered and you've not verified your account yet, just click on sign up. Now you can either use an email or you can use a mobile number to create an account on Bybit. I want to use a mobile number. So I'm just gonna paste the mobile number here. Allow paste. Then create a password that I want to use, something that you can remember. So make sure to use a password that you can remember, and a password that checks all these four marks, right? Make sure it is 8 to 30 characters, at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, and at least one number. And then you want to check this box, right? And click on sign up. So they will send a code, a verification code, to that number you used to sign up. Ouch. Okay. So let's make sure that this is into. I hope it is. Yeah. So now they've sent the code. I'm just gonna input the code into these boxes. So the code has been inputted. You can see they say welcome to Bybit. Verify your identity. All you want to do now is click on verify now. So you can either use, if you're in Nigeria, you can either use your UVN, your NIN, or any other means of identification that you have, right? So check this box and click confirm. So it take us to the next page. Proof of identity. Click on verify so you can verify your Bybit account. Like I said, you can either use your BVN, your ID card, driver's license, passport, or residence permit. So the most recommended one is BVN. So I'm going to click on BVN. It's already checked, and then I'll click on confirm to input my BVN. You can also use your ID card, which is your NIN if you're in Nigeria, if you want to, but I just prefer BVN because it's easier. Now click on all countries except USA. Of course, I'm not in the USA, so check this and click on continue. Now verify your identity. It only takes 2 minutes. Okay, so let's see profile details. Click on that and click on continue. So I am in Nigeria, of course, that's why my country is selected as Nigeria. And then now I want to input my BVN, and then I will pick my last name. And data has been accepted. The next thing to do is selfie. Takes just approximately at most 10 minutes for your account to get verified. So once you're done verifying your account, you want to just go to deposit, or you can go to assets. Click on assets. and then click on deposit. We want to get our address, our BYBIT deposit address. So click on deposit and then click on deposit crypto. Then next you want to click on USDT because that is what we're trading on, and TRC20. Congratulations, this is your BYBIT deposit wallet address. So this is the address you want to copy it from here and send to whoever want to send you USDT, or if you want to fund any crypto exchange wallets or whatever you want to use trade, right? You can use this. You can send it to anybody in America, UK, in the world to send you money. So once you send this address to them, they'll send the money and you will see your money here. You will receive your money. It will show. I don't have any funds in this wallet right now, that's why it's showing 0.00. But as soon as someone sends or funds this wallet, you see your money right here. So how do you withdraw from BYBIT into any other platform? Let's say you want to withdraw from BYBIT to Binance, or you want to withdraw from BYBIT to CBEX or any other trading platform. How do you do that? We are going to be learning that in the next tutorial. Stay tuned and follow this channel, follow this page for more information like this. Thank you.